Our story begins 100 years ago, when cotton was king in Alabama. In the small industrial town of Sylacauga, DeWitt Parker opened its first fertilizer business in 1904. The Sylacauga Fertilizer Company was focused on cotton, crops, and serving local farmers. But when the Great Depression struck, it took a heavy toll on farmers, especially southern cotton growers. DeWitt's son Howard took over and realized the company needed to innovate beyond cotton. As fate would have it, in nearby Muscle Shoals, Alabama, the U.S. government began researching agriculture through the Tennessee Valley Authority's National Fertilizer Development Center. TVA would end up developing almost all of the world's fertilizer technology. Down in Sylacauga, Howard recruited his son-in-law, Jimmy Pursell, who had just returned from serving in the Air Force. Jimmy saw an opportunity to partner with TVA to help develop controlled-release fertilizers. Although this revolutionary technology was not yet affordable for broadacre agriculture, it was ideal for lawns, gardens, and golf courses. Over the next decades, the Purcells became pioneers in creating fertilizers that released their nutrients over months rather than days.